The question nobody wants to ask is, what if a three-digit number is stopping you from getting a dream home, a business loan, or a lower interest rate? Have you ever pulled your credit report and felt confused? If you have looked at words like charge-off, collection account, or derogatory remark and thought, I do not even know where to begin, this is for you. We are going to walk you through how our credit restoration process works. From the first conversation to seeing real results. No vague promises, no confusing language, just a clear, honest, step-by-step explanation of what happens when you work with us, why it works, and what you can realistically expect along the way. Stay with us until the end, because we are also going to share real-world scenarios based on our clients, so you can see yourself in this process and understand that recovery is just possible. It is structured, it is methodical, and it starts with a single decision. Who comes to us? Our clients are individuals who experienced life. It is important for you to understand who we serve, because there is a very good chance you see yourself in one of these situations. They may have a medical emergency that turned into a hospital bill, a job loss that led to missed credit card payments, a divorce that disrupted stability, a student loan that ended up in default, a car repossession during a rough patch, an eviction that still shows up on a report years later, a judgment that was filed without the person even knowing it happened. We regularly work with people carrying late payments, collection accounts, hard inquiries from multiple credit applications, repossessions, charge-offs, evictions, bankruptcies, judgments, child support debts, and student loan delinquencies. These are not rare edge cases. These are everyday realities that affect millions of people. And they are exactly the issues our process is built to address. The most common thing we hear from a new client is this: I did not know I had options. That right there is the problem we exist to solve. Our process has 6 core phases in our credit restoration process. Each one builds on the last. Step 1. The initial consultation. Everything begins with a conversation. In your first consultation, we sit down or connect digitally, and we listen. We want to understand your current financial goals, whether that is qualifying for a mortgage, launching a business, reducing interest costs, or simply getting to a place where your credit score reflects the person you are today, rather than the setbacks you experienced in the past. We listen to your financial goals and understand your timeline. This conversation also helps us understand what matters most to you. Step 2. Pulling and reviewing your full credit report. Once you are onboarded, we pull your credit reports from all 3 major bureaus: Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. This is critical because the same account can appear differently across all 3 reports. A collection that shows as paid on one bureau might still show as open on another. We do not work from a partial picture. We work from the complete one. Every line item is reviewed: the account history, the reporting dates, the balance figures, the status codes, and the identifying information associated with each account. Step 3. Identifying what can be disputed. This is where the strategy begins. Not every negative item on your report is legitimate. Under the Fair Credit Reporting Act, every consumer has the legal right to dispute inaccurate, incomplete, outdated, or unverifiable information on their credit report. Our team goes through your report with precision and identifies which accounts, which reporting dates, which balances, and which status codes are legally challengeable. This includes late payment entries that were reported in error, collections that belong to someone else or were never validated, hard inquiries made without proper authorization, charge-offs reported beyond the legal timeframe, and a range of other issues that many consumers simply do not know they can challenge. Step 4. Building and submitting the dispute letters. Generic templated dispute letters rarely produce results. We do not use them. Every dispute we file is built specifically for your report, your creditors, and the specific legal basis we are asserting. We reference the relevant federal statutes, cite specific inconsistencies in the reported data, and demand either verification or removal. These letters go to the credit bureaus and in many cases directly to the original creditors and collection agencies as well. Step 5. Monitoring responses and following up. After disputes are filed, the bureaus have 30 to 45 days to investigate and respond. We do not just submit and wait. We actively monitor the incoming responses, track every account we have disputed, and analyze the outcomes. When a bureau verifies an item we believe is still challengeable, we escalate. When a removal is secured, we document it and move to the next account. Step 6. Ongoing guidance and credit building strategy. Removing negative items is one part of the equation. Building a positive credit history is the other. We work with every client to develop a practical strategy for strengthening their credit profile alongside the restoration work. This means discussing responsible credit utilization, the role of secured accounts, how to approach new credit applications strategically, and how to protect the progress you are making. What is reviewed? We examine every component in detail. That includes accuracy of your personal identifying information, your name, address history, social security number, because mixed file errors, where another person's data appears on your report, are more common than most people realize. All account statuses, including whether accounts are being reported as open when they have been closed, whether payment histories reflect the actual dates payments were made, whether charge-off dates are accurate, and whether any accounts have been reported past the legally permitted time frame. A charge-off, for example, can only remain on your credit report for 7 years from the date of first delinquency. Collection accounts follow the same rule. We verify these dates on every single derogatory account. For hard inquiries, unauthorized inquiries can be removed, and removing a cluster of hard inquiries can have a meaningful impact on your score relatively quickly. Judgments and public records are reviewed for accuracy of the filing date, the court of record, and the associated balance. Bankruptcies are examined for correct discharge dates and proper classification of included accounts. Student loans in default or deferment are reviewed for proper status codes. Child support entries are examined for accuracy against legal records when available. Timeline expectations. One of the most important conversations we have with every new client is about the timeline. We believe in honesty above all else. The 30 days are focused on assessment and initial filings. This is the review phase, pulling reports, building dispute strategy, crafting the letters, and submitting them. You will not see score changes during this phase. This is the groundwork. Between 30 and 90 days, you start to see some changes. Some issues get fixed away in the first round. Things that are wrong or can't be checked might get taken off during this time. Many people start to see their credit score improve. How much it improves depends on what's on their report and how important each thing's. Some clients see meaningful improvement during this period. Between 90 days and 6 months, more complicated issues get fixed. Things like bankruptcies, judgments, and collections can take a while to sort out. It often requires additional rounds of correspondence and follow-up. This is also when we start working on building credit strategy, where positive account activity begins to complement the removal work. For people with a lot of histories on their report, like multiple bankruptcies or old judgments, numerous charge-offs, it might take longer than 6 months to fix everything. That is not a failure. That is the nature of the work being done properly. We do not cut corners to show fast results that reverse themselves. We do the work that produces lasting change. The important thing to understand about the timeline is this: fixing your credit is a process. It's not something that happens overnight. The worse your credit is, the more patient you have to be. Every time we work on your report, you're moving forward, and no progress is ever lost. Actionable takeaway. Whether you're ready to work with us or still researching your options, here's what we want you to remember. First, your credit report is not a verdict. It is a document. Documents contain errors. Errors can be challenged. You have legal rights under federal law that most people never exercise simply because they do not know those rights exist. Second, the confusion you feel when looking at your credit report is normal, and it is also temporary. The moment you have a clear picture of what is on your report and a structured plan to address it, the anxiety lifts. That is what we provide. Third, do not wait for the right moment to start. Credit takes time to build and restore. Every month you delay is a month of forward progress you will never get back. The best time to begin was yesterday. The next best time is today. If you're ready to stop wondering what might happen and start knowing where you stand, we're here to talk. At 𝐲𝐻consultant.com, we've helped people like you deal with payments, collections, and other credit issues. We know what to look for and how to fix it. We can help you build a credit report. Visit 𝐲𝐻consultant.com to schedule a consultation. It's a conversation where we'll look at your situation and tell you what we can do. No pressure, no sales tactics, just clarity. If this helped you understand the process, please like it, share it with someone who needs help, and subscribe for videos. Wise Consulting Enterprise. We could help you in such.